We are going to discuss on speech sentiment analysis. So, given a speech, we have to ascertain the sentiment of that particular statement. So, now here we are using a data set which includes various statements from the speech. So, we load the needed libraries, and now we have the speech.txt. Now speech.txt is a text file which includes various statements like opposition is not able to see the trust of people, so they are steeped in distrust, or in 2028 when you will bring a no confidence motion, the country will be among the top 3. Opposition believes in changing names, but they can't change their work culture. So now I want to ascertain the sentiments of these particular statements. So here, this is the speech after removing any other characteristics other than alphabets, numbers. We also convert all the words to lowercase and check for the stop words and filter for the stop words. So these are the various words that we have. Like, I have come to express immense gratitude towards each and every citizen of India for repeatedly showing their trust in the government. So these are the words that we finally get, and on this we apply lemmatization. After lemmatization, these we get the words like this. And now we are going to check on the sentiment analyzer for these words. So on the entire speech that is there, so there is a class called sentiment intensity analyzer. So on the entire speech, I calculate the polarity score. Calculate the average sentiment that is there. So the sum of all the scores are there divided by the length of all the scores. So the average sentiment is 0.014. Actually it is like, so the first word 0, 0.0, 0.0, and so on. The second word, let me show you the word. See, the first word is come express, one second, come express immense. So now for these I got 0, 0. Gratitude is having 0.51. So like this, for each and every word that is there, I'm calculating the sentiment score analyzer. So these words do not carry any sentiments. Gratitude carries 0.51 sentiment, that it is a positive one. And so averaging across all the scores, I'm getting it as 0.014. So overall, indicating that it's not a very positive speech. See, length of, so the total number of words that are there is 1602, and the sum of all the scores, that is when I sum up all these scores, I'm getting 22.9. Let us check for wherever the words are positive words and the negative words. So now positive words, if the sentiment scores is more than 0.1, then it is taken as positive words. So the positive words that we see in our speech are gratitude, trust, free, trust, fulfill dreams, trust, confidence, top, freedom. These are the various positive words which have given me a higher score. There are so many negative words also which have given me lower score, and those are scams, poor, distrust, crimes. And there are also so many other neutral words. Come, express, immense, towards, and so on. So there are so many neutral words. So if I have to visualize Okay, we can also see the frequency distribution of all these words. Let us see what are the top 20 positive words, negative words, and the neutral words. So the top 20 words that we have here are trust. Trust has been used several times. Then confidence, dreams, faith, party, like, free, top, peace, assure. So now these words have been used. These are the top 20 words which have been used several times. Similarly, the top 20 negative words which have been used several times are poor, has been used several times. Then there is pressure, which has been used 3 times. Then poverty 3 times, bad, lack 3 times, scams has been used 2 times, and so on. Then there are certain neutral words that are there. So we can also check what is the word and the frequency. So the top 20 words that we just saw in a different chart format. We can also do the word cloud for the same. Trust, confidence, all these words were used extensively in the positive sentiment words. In the negative sentiment words, we had poor, poverty, lack, pressure. In the neutral sentiment words, minister, prime, said, these words are commonly used. So like this, we can analyze on the speech, and yeah, so this is how we can analyze on the speech using the sentiment analyzer. We can just ascertain what is the overall mood of that particular speech using sentiment intensity analyzer class.